Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, FX Autobot Trading Software Scam Review Update 777.08 profit. So in today's video I will make a live trading session using FX Autobot. If you want to see the results of today's trading session, stay here until the end of this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so welcome to another day using FX Autobot trading software, another live trading session using this particular trading software. So hopefully today we will have a great day like yesterday and the day before yesterday and so on. So the results provided by this trading software are amazing so far. So for those of you who don't know what FX Autobot is, FX Autobot, it is a semi-automated trading software. That means it will automatically place the trades into your broker account, but you have to manually choose every trade in part, every signal provided by the software. So for you to be easier to understand, let's go into my FX Autobot instance. Alright, so I'm inside my trading software, and as you can see here in the left side we have the charts, and here on the right side we have the signals provided by the software. So what we will do today, we will make a live trading session like I used to in last couple of days. So this is like a challenge, a 5-day challenge, if you want to name it like that. So we had, if you look at the previous videos, we had every day we finished the trading session on profit. Yesterday it was around 1,000 euro profit, finished on 1,000 euro profit. So let's see what will happen in today's trading session. Let's go here and click on currencies, because we will trade only currencies. I will trade only currencies today, only global currencies. And let's have a look what we have here. AUD USD. Let's click on AUD USD to see the chart. Here we have the chart. As you can see, it is a downtrend, and here goes back, and now it will bounce back. So this AUD USD, it is a short sell. So let's click and trade this one. Alright, so we have now play, as you can see, AUD USD, it is placed, direction it's sell, and everything is set, stop loss, take profit. That's it. So let's go and find another trade. So we had AUD USD, we see have one US dollar Japanese yen. So be careful on expiring time for the signal. As you can see, we have only 30 seconds here, so we don't want to use a signal that is expiring very soon. Let's see Euro Japanese yen, and it is an uptrend. As you can see here, the uptrend started at 6 o'clock and now it's here. So this is a long buy. Let's have a look a little bit. Yes, it was coming from here and now it's going back up here. So let's see Euro USD, and this is a short sell. Yes, this looks good. Euro USD, let's click on trade. Alright, and order successful. As you can see, Euro USD, it is a sell and everything is set, stop loss, take profit. And let's go and find another one. Let's see GBP Swiss franc. Yeah, the trend is an uptrend, looks good. Let's try this one, GBP Swiss franc. Let's click on trade. and order successful. As you can see, GBP Swiss franc, it is a buy and everything it's set. Take profit, stop loss. Let's go back to FX Autobot to find another one. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. It is a sell, a short sell. Let's click on this one. All right. So order successful. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. It is a sell and everything is set. We have 4 trades. Let's find another one. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's see on how this one looks. The overall trend, it is, let's have a look. It is an uptrend, an overall trend, as you can see here. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's click on this one. It is a buy. All right, and order successful. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. It's a buy and everything is set. We have stop loss, take profit. All the trades looks good. Let's see if we find another one. No, I think that's it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades placed. I think it is enough for the moment. Let's see what will happen with these trades. As you can see, it is very easy to place trades using FX Autobot trading software. It is newbie designed, so if you are a newbie trader, you can use with confidence this trading software. For your convenience, I'll put the link below this video if you want to give it a try. So I'll be back to you with the results of today's trading session. In my experience, I know that this could take more than 2-3 hours. I will skip this video because I don't want you to wait so long, and I will be back in a second with the results. Alright everyone, so I'm back with today's trading session using FX Autobot, and again the results for today's trading session, live trading session, are amazing. For those of you who don't know what FX Autobot is, FX Autobot, it is a semi-automated trading software. That means you need to choose a signal and click on the trade button, and this will automatically place the trade into your broker account, assigned broker account. The minimum amount that you need to start using this trading software is $250. Just go and fill your email address, your name, and you can create your own you can create your account with FX Autobot, and then it will be assigned to you a broker. Fund the broker with minimum $250 and you will be good to go. You'll start making money. So let's go and have a look on what happened with today's trading session. So as you can see, my balance has increased. Now I have 11,890.05 euros into my account. And let's have a look on what happened in today's trading session. As you can see, the today's profit is 777.08 euros. So this is a very good trading session. Let's have a look on each trading part. We have euro, AUD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, which was a buy, and we have 200.90 euro profit. We have Australian dollar, Japanese yen, which was a sell, and we have 245.10 euro profit. This GBP Swiss franc, it was a losing trade. We have 140.89 euro profit. Euro US dollar, which is my preferred pair, it's a sell, and we have 280.50 euro profit. And Australian dollar, US dollar, it was a sell, and we have 253.50 46 euro profit. As you can see, today's trading session didn't last more than 1 hour, around 45 minutes. So this one I GBP Swiss franc, this losing trade, I manually stop it because I saw that it's going in the wrong direction. I didn't wait to catch the stop loss, to hit the stop loss level. So that's it. It is easy to use FX Autobot. Just go to the economic calendar, check if there are free star news, avoid those pairs, and go here and find the signals and click on trade. Be careful that you don't trade signals that are expiring very soon, as this one, as you can see, it's expiring. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar expiring in 40 seconds, so you will want in 40 minutes, sorry, but are some that are expiring in like this one, euro New Zealand dollar, in 50 seconds. So you don't want to trade with an expiring signal. So that's it for this video. If you want to join FX Autobot, for your convenience, I'll put the link below this video in the description area. If you have question, put a question in the comments area below this video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that's the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.